Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting hands on the keyboard and making sure it's active. Plug in or pair, then open YouTube. Click the player or press tab to focus it so keystrokes go to YouTube. Learn the essential keys now. Space and K toggle play / pause, J and L jump 10 seconds, numbers 0 through 9 skip to percents. Once you have focus, test one command to confirm response. This avoids confusion later. Now you move into precise control. Press J or L for 10-second skips, and use Shift with them if you need larger jumps. This gives you rapid navigation. The left and right arrows let you nudge backward or forward in smaller steps, while up and down adjust volume incrementally. This helps when you need fine-tuning. Use number keys to jump to specific parts. It's faster than dragging the scrubber. Make sure to practice a sequence so muscle memory forms. Finish by adding advanced shortcuts to your routine. Press M to mute, F for full screen, and C to toggle captions. These speed common tasks. If you're on a playlist, shift with N or P moves next or previous and press ESC to escape full screen or close overlays. This keeps control fluid. If keys stop working, first refocus the player by clicking it, then try disabling browser extensions or checking keyboard input settings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.